the hackathon is one of our newest additions to the 2021 ASEC conference. The hackathon is basically an event that focuses on data science applications within the energy industry. We've been collaborating with a whole bunch of energy companies in order to provide these questions and provide you real world solutions. With the hackathon event, what you can expect is to get top tier industry skills, so such as Spotfire training, R training, and also Python. You could also expect a high level of networking opportunities simply because you're working on these intense, difficult questions that these energy companies need solved. And then lastly, you're going to also work on your soft skills as well, the skills that nobody really talks about. So that's collaboration, teamwork, and really managing a team and being in a team. Um, if all that's not enough for you guys, then the last one you can win is a cash prize at the end, and ultimately that should sweeten the deal for you. So that is what we're doing for Hackathon. In addition, we're also going to be training you. So we're going to be training you in all these skills that you need. So that's kind of what the hackathon is about for 2021, and we hope to see you there.
Yeah, thank you, Remy. So just to kind of reiterate his point, you don't have to be a computer whiz to essentially participate in this year's hackathon. We are going to be doing training sessions. So when you do sign up, you get the added bonus of being able to learn a new skill that you can hopefully put on your resume and make it that much more easier to appeal to some of the bigger companies that are looking to hire
for co-op and post-grad positions right now.